Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 100. If we start with this box, we're missing a 9. For this box, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this box, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 5 here and a 9 here, so this is our 7. That 9 makes this our 5, 9. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got the 5 here, so 7, 5. For this column, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this box now, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 3. 9 here, so 6, 9. For this top row now, we're missing 1 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this row, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. For this row, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this row, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this row, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this box, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this column, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 1. That 1 makes this our 6, 9, and that 6 makes this our 1. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this row, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this column, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this column, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. And to finish out this box, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.